Hi, Julius from Solatube. I'm here with Tim from Highmark Homes in this beautiful new house in Moskill. Tim, why Solatube?
Well, Julius, we use Solatube because I've used it previous in another house that we built a couple of years ago, and it worked out really well. At the concept stage with the client, they outlined some areas that could have been dark, so we put one in and it's worked out really great.
So Tim, with the building process, obviously a lot of trades coming in and out. What was the process like for you?
Effortless, really. You guys just came in at a great point of the build where it wasn't heaps of trades rushing around, which is always good because it can get quite stressful at that end part of the project. But yeah, once you guys came in and fitted it, pretty much all done and dusted.
End results, was the customer happy?
Oh, the customers were absolutely over the moon. It was a great result. It let a lot of light into some darker areas, and I'll be recommending it to a lot of my customers going forward.
Thanks Tim for the feedback. It was awesome working with Highmark Homes.
No worries. Likewise. Cheers, Julius.